Hi guys, I'm Michelle. My channel focuses on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and some DIY as well. So if you like videos like that, stay tuned. In today's video, I'm going to do a quick review of my Jimmy Choo Bing 100 heels that I picked up recently. So these are the heels. Aren't they so cute? I'm a sucker for bling, okay? I'm a sucker for bling. So a little bit about this heel is patent leather. It does have a crystal strap, pointed toe, slip-on style, leather line, leather sole, and the height is 3.9 inches, which is 100 millimeters, and the shoe was made in Italy. They had a sale a few weeks ago. I think the sale's still going on now, but it's not many sizes left. So yeah, I got this for, I believe, 40%, 40 or 50% off. So definitely a huge deal of a deal. Yeah, I got an email from Jimmy Choo about them having a sale, so I just went on the site to see what was available. And I saw they had the Bing 100 on sale. I was like, oh, I gotta snag these. So initially they only had them in a size 40, well, a size that I could wear was a size 41, and I grabbed those. I think they were probably 40% off at the time, and I got a size 41, and they were a little bit too small. So I was just scrolling on the website again, and I saw that they had a 41 and a half back in stock. So I grabbed the 41 and a half, sent the 40 back, and got these. So these are like literally the perfect fit. Now, could I have gotten a 42? Possibly, but the 41 and a half actually, it fits like literally perfect. But if you want more space at the back, you may need to go up a whole size. So yeah, normally in pointy shoes, I wear 41 in European sizes. So I got a half size up, so I got a 41 and a half, and a 42 if you like a lot of space at the back. But these are a perfect fit. I would just recommend going up half a size, because it's leather. This is going to stretch over time, and then because of how the shoe is made, with it being a mule, you don't want it to be too big on your foot. So these kind of shoes are made pretty much to be the perfect fit for your foot. So I would definitely just only recommend going up half a size. So yeah, when I first put these on, I was like, oh my gosh, these are really comfortable. I do have a pair of Jimmy Choo. I have the some new pumps from Jimmy Choo, but and they're pretty comfortable too. But these are really comfortable for a mule. And that's the thing I like about Jimmy Choo. Their shoes are usually pretty comfortable for heels, as comfortable as it's gonna get for heels, because we know we sacrificing, okay? Beauty is pain, beauty is pain. But you can have heels that are not as uncomfortable. So these are on the comfortable side of heels. So I haven't worn these out yet, but I have worn these around the house. Even though they are pretty comfortable, they do still need to be broken in, because it is leather, and you know, patent leather, so it can fit better to your foot. So I definitely recommend breaking these in as well, and I'm sure they'll get even more comfortable as I continue to actually wear these. But I just haven't had anywhere to wear these out to since I got them. So, and initially I got these for my birthday. When I saw this day, I'm like, early birthday gift, even though my birthday is in September, and I, you know, got these, and I got that bag too. So this is like a birthday gift to myself. So part of me kind of just want to wait and wear this my birthday weekend. I don't know. I don't know if I could hold out that long in September. Well, shoot, September will be here before I know it, honestly. But yeah, the 3.9 inches, like the heel looks higher than what it actually is, you know. And yeah, I just love that it's like a sexy heel. Sexy skinny heel, but you're not sacrificing being comfortable. So, and of course I love the bling bling on it. Look at that. This is a beautiful shoe. Gorgeous, okay? Gorgeous. I definitely want to get this shoe in more colors as well. It's like so pretty. They do come in like, I think they come in patent leather, I believe satin as well. So yeah, I'm gonna insert a video of me trying these on so you can actually see how they look on the foot. Yeah, overall I'm so happy with this purchase. It's a unique piece in my collection. I didn't have purple. This is called Wisteria. But pretty much like a lilac color. I didn't have this color shoe in my collection, so I just wanted to just get out of just getting, I think I got my basics. I got the black, I got the nudes, I got the red. So now I'm just trying to, you know, buy more things that I like in my collection and just different color. I'm just trying to, you know, and I got the basics, so it's like, yeah, now I can dabble out and get a little bit more color. So yeah, I'm so excited. I love these. Quality is amazing. You know, it does have like the leather sole at the bottom. Oh, I definitely recommend getting this shoe. It comes in so many different colors, and this is just a fun shoe. Like you can dress this up or dress it down. Like I just love, you know, seeing a t-shirt and jeans style with a bomb shoe. Like I don't know if it's something about being in your 30s. It's given, okay? It's definitely given. But yeah, you could just dress it up on a night out. Little black dress, throw these on, throw on my little puzzle bag, and they'll be giving a look, okay? So yeah, I'm just excited. Can't wait to wear these. And what do you guys think about this shoe? Do you own a pair? Do you own any shoes from Jimmy Choo? And what do you think about the Jimmy Choo Bing? Like, I think this is like my favorite shoe from Jimmy Choo. It's so cute, so stylish, and it's giving glam. It's giving glam, okay? For the girly girls. So yeah, thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch this video. If you like videos like this, let's chat down in the comments below. And what are your thoughts about this shoe? Would you purchase it? Definitely recommend getting it on sale if you can. I'm a sale shopper, so I'm gonna get a shoe on sale. Like, I have not paid full price for a designer shoe since I started buying designer shoes. So there are options to, you know, get it at an affordable price, more affordable price than, you know, the retail price. So yeah, definitely recommend searching. If you want this kind of shoe or any designer shoe, get it on sale. You know, you don't have to like really break the bank all the way to get the look. And yeah, I like just having, I'm becoming a shoe girl. I like just having cute shoes. I can just, you know, throw on a little, you know, simple dress and the heel, let's take it up a notch. Or a simple t-shirt and jeans and throw these on. And it's like, it's given, okay? So yeah, I love that. And I'm definitely becoming a shoe girl. And yeah, I'm rambling at this point, so see y'all.